Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make a pork tenderloin in the air fryer. That's right, we're gonna make a nice juicy pork tenderloin in the air fryer in just a matter of a couple minutes. So if you guys like easy air fryer videos, if you need some new air fryer recipe ideas, this is definitely the channel for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and come by and say hello. And don't forget to follow us over on Instagram. Alright guys, let's get started with the video. So we have a pork tenderloin here that I got from Fred Meyer's. It's about a little over a pound. It's already seasoned with black peppercorn, but I am going to add some more flavor to this. Why? Because we like flavor over here. So today I'm actually going to preheat my air fryer to 400 degrees. So I'm going to add a little bit of lemon pepper. You can add as much as you like. And then I'm also going to add some garlic powder to the mix right here. And then I'm going to add some onion powder as well. So season your pork the way you like to season it. Just make sure you don't go heavy on the sodium, guys. So as always, I hope you guys are doing well, and thank you so very much for coming to join us again for another video. So we are going to go ahead and flip this baby over, and of course we're going to go ahead and season the second side as well. And as always, you want to season things to your liking. We have a lot of new subscribers that have joined the family recently, so I just want to say hey to you guys, and also hey and thank you guys to all of my old subscribers as well. Welcome to the family, and remember, if you guys want to learn how to use your air fryer, definitely subscribe to the channel. So this is what it's looking like, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to put this baby in the air fryer. So the air fryer is nice and hot, and as usual I am using my Gourmet 7-quart. Guys, I love my air fryer. I actually upgraded to the 7-quart one here that you're seeing. A couple months ago I was actually using the 6-quart, but this is the 7-quart, and I absolutely love this air fryer, guys. So I just sprayed that with my EVOO extra virgin olive oil. That's what was in that container. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this nice, beautiful, wonderful piece of meat in the air fryer. Guys, I'm going to tell you already that this recipe came out very well. I'm going to go ahead and spray the top of that with some more oil. And that oil is just going to aid with it getting nice and brown. So this is what it looks like after about 10 minutes in the air fryer. And again, I preheated my air fryer to 400 degrees. So this is what it's looking like on the first side. That already looks delicious, guys. Look, the air fryer is just an amazing appliance. If you don't have an air fryer, please consider purchasing one, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the other side, because again, that is going to aid in this becoming nice and brown, which you guys are going to see coming up really soon. Guys, who knew that the air fryer can do such amazing things? So guys, here's some extra footage that I added in. This was me recording this video, and my doggie, she was just under the table waiting for something to fall. So guys, I just kind of wanted to add that in there. She was enjoying this as well. Alright, back to the recipe. So this baby has been in the air fryer for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. I am going to insert the temperatures of pork here. I like to eat my pork well done, but that's the temperature gauge right there. I used my instant read thermometer. It took a little bit to get up to temp, but I realized I didn't have that down in the meat far enough. So in just a couple seconds, you're going to see that I actually pushed that down in the meat. You do want to make sure that your meat is done. So you can use the guide that I just showed you to make sure that your meat is done. So this is about 160, and it is well done because again, that's how I like my meat. But you can always cook your meat to your doneness level, and this is still going to be nice and juicy and flavorful and delicious. Guys, look at this pork tenderloin. Oh my god, oh my word. I flipped it back over just because I feel like this side is prettier, but it is done after 20 minutes of cook time in my air fryer at 400 degrees. This turned out to be a nice, beautiful piece of meat. I made some rice, nothing fancy, just some rice from the box, and I'm actually going to let this meat rest on this rice for about 10 or 15 minutes so all those nice juices can go ahead and redistribute. So guys, look at this. This is a close-up money shot. This is absolutely, in my opinion, the best way to cook a pork tenderloin. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and transfer this over to another plate because I want you guys to see how delicious this looks on the inside. Oh my goodness, look at that wonderful piece of meat. Oh my goodness, I love my air fryer. Guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we are really cooking some delicious air fryer recipes over here. If you don't know how to use your air fryer, if you're afraid to use your air fryer, if you're looking for some air fryer videos, please make sure that you come and join us. Guys, look at that juicy piece of meat. That is not overdone. You can see that it's still nice and juicy, and let me tell you, this meat was delicious and flavorful. Look at that, and it is completely done. So again, if you guys you know, a lot of people are afraid to use their air fryers. Some people tell me that they have air fryers but they've never used it because they don't know how to. Guys, tell them about this channel. If you know people who have air fryers that's a little nervous about using them, go ahead and direct them over to our channel here because we are cooking up some nice, delicious, flavorful, and easy air fryer meals over here on the Solo Dolo cooking channel. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, I am so excited. You guys, this came out so good. What I am learning about the air fryer at this point is that pork, oh my goodness, it cooks extremely well in the air fryer. I also cooked some Parmesan crusted pork chops in the air fryer. Oh my goodness, so bomb. So make sure you guys click on that video once you leave this video. Right here, I am just plating up what I made for my dinner. I actually cooked some shrimp and some green beans and some rice. But guys, this is a wonderful protein choice. You can cook whatever side dishes and veggies that you like, but I highly recommend that you guys try this recipe. You will probably never use your oven to make a pork tenderloin again. I want to thank you guys so much for joining the channel. Go ahead and follow us over on Instagram, guys, at Solo Dolo Cooking TV. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.